would have found. But there would be free throw. Tingnan natin, ha? Ang pagkaalala natin ay ito sa Dorian Peña or Singletary who was fouled on the three-ball play. So officially, hindi pa po tapos ang ating score. That was the second half. Nakita po natin. Same move. On time para dito kay Mario West. Singletary with the rebound and he will be fouled by Reynald Hugnatan. So Singletary will go to the free throw line.
Sigurado yan, sige, credit defensive Keith Vincent. Dalawang beses siya pinahirapan. Itong si Mario West.
And he was forced to make the trip away from a jumper incredibly strong layup.
So there's still time.
There's the 0.6 of a second. So this would change the proportion of the game. Because if Singletary missed the free throw, with timeout, he will miss this one. Agawan, that's a good decision on the part of Mike Singletary. So visually, it's a 1-point victory for the Baracabul Energy Colas after that suspension and of the fourth quarter. A lot of action na nakita po natin after action is picked up here in the second half of play. A lot of opportunities para sa mga ng Meralco, but those attacks by Mario did not fall through.
Sometimes, you have the opportunity to sometimes the shots that are not knocked down by the player. That's not tama. Nasa effort mo, going to his strong side, going to where he wants to go, running the right play. Hindi na pumasok dalawang beses for Meralco to Baracabul, edging out Meralco into this ballgame 90-89.
What is the kwento ng dalawa ko po na ito? Sabi nga natin, galing sa pagkatalo, ang kaya ko po na ng Baracabul, but they recovered. Samantalang ako po na ng Meralco after the big win against the Coast was takes out dito sa ating suspenseful volley. Kasama po natin ang ating best player of the volley. Hindi na po kami nahirapang na pumili. Ni Dominic Pagkat, all game brilliant for the tallest guy for the Baracabul Energy Colas, your best player, Eman. Eman, you committed the 3 quick fouls in the third quarter. What was right for you, my knowing you have to be fitted out by Coach Raiko?